Technical analysis is the building block of every strategy out there, okay? And I really believe that every trader, every professional trader, every profitable trader really needs to get that down and understand it properly if you're going to survive in the markets. And today I'm going to be trading with just technical analysis just to show the importance and the power of technical analysis. A lot of traders out there right now, they only use indicators and they rely on the information from the indicators. And that is very good. I really believe in using indicators in your trading, but I also believe that you need to have a proper understanding of technical analysis. And when you pair that with indicators, that's when you get actual progress and actual consistency in your profits in the charts. Okay, guys, let's get into today's trading session, and I'm going to show you how I use technical analysis to take trades. You're not going to see any indicators on my charts. Yes, I said it right. No indicators. Don't worry, we're not going to die. Let's get into the charts. Okay, guys, so like I mentioned, we're not going to be using any indicators. That's why you see our chart is very bare. Okay, now we're going to be trading crypto today, and I already have a couple of assets I've selected that have very good movement patterns and also payout percentages. And today, what we really want to use is pullback dynamics, support and resistance zones, and also local and global structural highs and lows. That's what we're going to be using for today's trades. I have my balance at $50. We're going to be taking 1-minute trades, and let's see how much we can make from today, guys. Okay, let's search for the first asset that we're going to trade, and we'll get right into it.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay, guys, so we have our first trade in, and I took a buy in this position. Let's just get into why I took this trade, okay? So first of all, we can see that we have lots of touch points around this area. And yeah, this is the level 1. We also have this level over here and this as well, which is the global minimum. Now, all around this area, we can expect price to have impulse movements like rejections on those levels because it did that before. And so right now, we're just trading off of that. Also, we can see this strong down impulse move. And usually after a move like this, we can expect price to make a pullback. So that's the reason why I took this trade for a buy. Let's see how it plays out, guys. A couple of seconds till it ends. Come on, this is really tight. Okay, guys, so the first deal closes in plus. The price was dangling right around our entry point. Anyways, let's push with the maximum balance and get the next asset. We're using the maximum balance, so we have to be really careful about the trades that we enter. I'm going to try my best to enter very high probability trades. Let's see what we have here. Okay, guys, so for this one, I opened a sell position. You can see I'm checking the history of the chart. We see over here that there was a previous high, structural high, and right now price is there. Price is just hitting that high, and it's going in an option right now, but we can expect price to have a pullback or a reaction around this area because it did that before. And that's just the idea behind technical analysis. If the price did that before, most likely it would do it again. Okay, so we had a very good entry point actually right at the tip, and you can see price is moving down. Of course, there were previous green candles around that area without any red, which is further confirmation that price will most likely have a pullback. Guys, we have a couple of seconds remaining for this trade. Let's see how it plays out. Everything is looking sweet so far. It's looking juicy, guys. That's a very nice red candle. I like when price does this. Perfect, guys. We close confidently with our next trade. Let's get the next one in. Gonna do this one for $34, and we'll open an additional trade in case we fail with the first one. Anyways, let's see how the next one plays out, guys. Okay, what do we have here? Um. Okay, guys, I just took this one for a buy. I just entered, and let's just put an additional balance in case the first one doesn't get successful. Okay, so let's analyze this. Right now, we can see that we're in a downtrend, first of all, and um, this is a very confident downtrend, and we have formed over here actually a global structural minimum. Okay, and around this area, we can also see the wicks, and the rejection levels around this whole area of support. Now, right now, we are currently sitting on the area of support again, and we can expect price to push. It's already pushing and showing signals, and that's why I was a bit hesitant, because it can go further down. There is actually a potential for price to keep on going down. But because I saw the signs of the rejections around that area, I took this for a buy. Of course, I'm already ready in case the first one goes negative. So I will enter an additional share, but we didn't need to, guys. We closed in green. Very sweet trade, guys. But we're ready in case it went sideways. Anyways, let's update our balance and look for the next asset to trade. Imagine you can make money even while you were sleeping. I know it sounds crazy, but it's real. With an AI trading bot that analyzes the market 24/7, executes trades with insane accuracy, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow. No stress, no emotions, just profits. Tap the link below to get access to the AI bot now and start making money on autopilot. Okay, guys, so for this one, I took a sell. Okay, and let's just go over why we took a sell for this one. First of all, we can notice the global structural maximum that has been created. And after that, we can see a gradual reversal in dynamics. Now, around this area, we also see a touch point, and normally would expect price to react there and push upwards, but we didn't get that. Instead, we got a further downward movement. So I don't see price rejecting and continuing the uptrend. Rather, I'm seeing signs of a reversal. There was a slight pullback, and price is going further down now. So I think this one would end in green, but of course, we never know for sure, guys. Let's see how this plays out. But I'm really confident about this trade. Nice, sweet, guys. It's not as confident as the previous ones. We didn't get enough push, but we still got a decent push. And now we're ending with a profit, guys. So after the pullback, we entered for a sell. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Everything is looking good so far, guys. We're making decent profits from today with just technical analysis, guys. Anyways, we updated our balance. I'm going to take the next trade for $57 just in case the first one doesn't go through, so we don't lose all our profits. That will not be the wisest thing to do. Anyways, let's see what we have, which other opportunities we can find from the chart today. Come on, show me something. Okay, guys, so for this one, I'm taking a sell. I'm taking a sell position for this one, and I'm gonna update my balance in case it doesn't work out with the first try. So let's go into the analysis of this. Okay, so we can see that price made a global structural minimum, and I'm expecting it to go even further down. Really, you see over here these touch points. There was a support level over here. Now price broke this support level. We see that aggressive candle that broke the support level, and this was of course the global minimum at that time. And after it broke it, I really think that after the break of this kind of support level, the global support level, I think it will make a deeper global minimum before any pullback would happen. Okay, the first one unfortunately closed in loss, but I still believe that we'll get a decent push downwards. I've opened the next trade, guys, for a sell. I'm just with the same logic. We should get a decent push downwards, especially since we're not getting rejections from that level. And when I looked in the past, in the history of the charts, I saw another structural level below this one, and that's why I really believe the price will try to get there before it will make any pullback. Guys, let's see how this one plays out. We're not getting any decent rejections from this level, so we should still get a further downward push. Okay, guys, it's happening right now. Perfect, guys. This is exactly what we're waiting for. We couldn't get it on the first trade, but we are getting it now in the second one. This should be a decent close, guys. Couple of seconds remaining. Okay, let's see how this plays out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, baby. Okay. That's what I'm talking about, okay? That is what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm sorry for shouting, guys. Anyways, I'm really excited. That was a decent trade. It closed really well. That will be the last trade for today, guys. I think we have decent profits. Okay, we started from $50. Right now, we're something over $600. So I am pretty satisfied. I'm going to go ahead to withdraw. I'm pretty satisfied with the results. So let's just put our profits in 640, 622 to be precise, actually. Perfect, guys. Okay, so withdrawal has been sent. I will get that cash anytime now. Anyways, guys, as you can see, I literally used only techno analysis for each of the trades. All the trade decisions were made solely on techno analysis. Guys, there is so much power in techno analysis. Of course, when you pair this up with indicators, it just gives you further confirmation, which gives you like a higher power. But if your indicators are not based from your knowledge of techno analysis, you're going to be getting so many wrong signals and you wouldn't know how to filter the signals that you get. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and make sure to like, subscribe to my channel if you like content like this. And if you need help with your trading, I have a link in the description of this video for my Telegram channel. Make sure to hit me up and I'll try my best to hook you up with trading and all the information and all the things you need as soon as possible, so you can also start earning money from the platform. Anyways, guys, that is all for today. Peace, happy trading. See you next time.